a plane. No, it's our super Jane Long Texans coming to save the day.
Here to show you around our super school.
Here to fight new school confusion.
Here to remind you of the past.
Here to look forward to the future.
Hi, I'm Eamon the Incredible. At Jane Long, we have 4 different houses. Each student is divided into one. There's ambition, compassion, perseverance, and integrity.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Crookshank and I represent the House of Ambition. Ambition, to me, means having a strong drive for success.
In the House of Ambition.
I am in the House of Ambition and I never give up.
I'm in a blue house.
Hi, I'm Miss Hernandez and I am in the House of Ambition, and we strive and are ambitious for success.
Hi, I'm Miss Small and I'm in the House of Compassion. Compassion means caring about the needs of others as if they were your own.
I'm in compassion. I'm in the greenhouse.
Hi, I'm Miss Doreen and I'm in the House of Compassion.
I'm in compassion, and I do nice things to everybody.
We're in the House of Perseverance. We never give up.
I'm in purple house.
Hi, I'm Miss Hilbert and I am in the House of Perseverance. Perseverance is a great house to be in because perseverance means that you keep on trucking no matter how hard it gets. You just keep trying till you get the job done.
I'm in the House of Perseverance and I got grit.
Hi, I'm Miss Limeball and I'm in the House of Perseverance. Perseverance means to never give up.
I'm in the other house.
Integrity means honesty.
Hi, I'm Miss Jones from 2nd grade. I'm from the House of Integrity. Integrity means to do the right thing when nobody's watching.
House of Yellow, House of Yellow, House of Yellow, woo!
We are in the House of Integrity, and we are trustworthy and honest.
Each house works together throughout the year to earn points for their house. Your house may earn points for good behavior, working hard, accomplishing goals, participating in service projects, winning fun house competitions, and bringing box tops.
Hi, I'm Starlight Sophia. Our first service project is already in full swing. It is district-wide. We are bringing in loose change to help cancer patients. Some of our very own Texans have been affected by this horrible disease. Bring in your change and make a difference.
Speaking of earning house points, I'm the all-star student Elijah, and I know how I'm going to earn a ton of house points this year. This year, we have a new program called Character Counts. Students will have specific lessons on strengthening their character. Students that exhibit these character traits could really boost their house chances of winning a house party. Our first character trait is trustworthiness, so let that be your superpower of the day.
There's a superhero in all of us. We just need the courage to put on the cape, or in our case, our Super Jane Long uniform. I'm Majestic Madeline. Here are some super fashionable Jane Long Texans. Notice, they're all sporting a collared shirt or Jane Long t-shirt that is neatly tucked in. Their bottoms are khaki, black, or blue jeans. Dress for success, Jane Long Texans. We wear our uniforms every day, unless otherwise designated. Also notice that each of these superheroes are walking in a straight line with a hug and bubble.
save our Jane Long traditions and carry on the Jane Long Texan way.
We couldn't fight our way through the school year without a terrific principal and vice principal. Here they are now.
Welcome, Jane Long families. My name is Jill Nels, and I'm the principal here at Jane Long, and we are so glad that you were able to join us this evening.
I'm Risa Crosby. I'm the assistant principal, and we're so excited to share with you some of the accomplishments our students have achieved academically in the past year, too.
We would like to share with you our distinction designations that we received from TEA. This year we received 5 academic distinctions: academic achievement in math, academic achievement in ELA and reading, top 25% in the state of Texas for closing performance gaps, top 25% in the state of Texas for academic growth, and a distinction for post-secondary readiness. That's right, Jane Long got 5 out of 6 distinctions. When you focus on results, you hit the bullseye and your school gets an A from the state of Texas.
Now to look at our 2018 STAR scores. In math and science, our students did extremely well. You'll see the teal bars represent those who passed the STAR test. So in 3rd grade math, 95% of our students passed the test. 4th grade math, 86% of the students passed the STAR test. In 5th grade math, 95% of our students passed the test. 5th grade science, 76% of our students passed that test. Now you'll see there are other colors represented on this bar graph. The dark colored bar that's a little bit lower than the teal blue color represents those who were meeting standards. So they made 70 or 80% on the STAR test, which is really impressive. And then you look at the gold colored bar, and that shows the representation of students that nearly made perfect scores on their test in math and science. Now, when looking at our reading and writing scores, the teal colored bar again represents those who passed their tests in 2018. 3rd grade reading was at 88%, 4th grade reading, 85%, 5th grade reading, 84%, and 4th grade writing, 59%. The students that met standard is represented in the dark colored bar. So that would be those who made 70, 80% on their test. They did really, really well. They were rock solid in their knowledge of that grade level. And then the gold bars represent those, again, who made perfect scores.
As you can see from looking at the graphs, we've had a highly successful school year and our kids have excelled. We want to replicate that success. In order to make that happen, we need your help. There's lots of things as parents that you can do to help us. We will give 110% here at school, but there's some things that you can do at home. Ms. Crosby, what do you think one of the first things some of our families can do to help us?
Make sure those kids are here on time. Our doors open at 7 o'clock and breakfast is served first thing in the morning. So get them here early, well before that tardy bell at 7:30.
You're also going to want to check your child's agenda every single day. Even when you work late at night and you're tired and you have a lot of things going on, check that agenda. See if your child has homework. Was there a note in from the teacher? Check their grades. Look at their Wednesday folder. You want to stay in contact with the school so we can be working together on the same page.
At the end of the first 9 weeks, your child's teacher is going to be reaching out to you to have that face-to-face conversation and look at those first 9 weeks report cards together. It's so important to have that open communication with the teachers so that your students and your children can do their very best throughout the school year.
And lastly, you've already done one of the first steps, and that's to be involved. We want you here at school. We're glad you're here tonight. We want to have you here again. Come to reading night, come to math night, join the PTO. Anytime we open our door for bingo night, come celebrate with us. Most of all, be an active participant in your kiddo's life.
And we thank you for coming here tonight and joining us for curriculum night, and we look forward to an amazing school year.
A hero is always prepared for battle. Make sure that your Texan is here on time. Doors open at 7. Students are expected to be armed with a pencil as they walk into the building, so they can conquer their fast focus and be standing tall for the morning pledges and announcements.
Use your supervision and be on the lookout for our chocolate sales fundraiser beginning today.
Remember, these funds are so important for exciting field trip programs and improvements PTO makes possible for our students.
Speaking of improvements, have you noticed the construction on the playground? We are getting some great new playground equipment. We can't wait to get out there and build our superhero skills at recess.
That's all we have for you now. Remember, all the best heroes are ordinary people who make themselves extraordinary. Until next time, up, up, and away!
This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Yeah.
Kiki, are you reading? Are you writing? Say you never ever leave me beside me. Cause I want you and I need you to go far and go to college. Kiki, are you reading? Are you writing? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you to go far and go to college. Kiki, are you reading? Are you writing? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you to go far and go to college.
Trap money, Benny. This shit got me in my feelings.